out there magnetfishing. Team Kratos, baby.
Okay, here we go with Real Deal Magnet Fishing presenting gobshites in the woods. I am your host, George Gobshite. My co-host is over there, that is Shannon Gobshite, and we have dug our way deep into the jungle. And I do mean jungle. Kudzu everywhere, roots in the ground. I had to dig out holes for my spot. Shannon had to dig out holes for her spot. But we are fishing. Stuff is coming up. A little part of a spoon, no doubt somebody used for no practices. An hook. A little hammer? Hold on, I don't know.
It's right there. Just lean there. There you go.
And Shannon threw me over a drawer pull?
Maybe.
Or a handle or something. I said this was a little hammer. I don't think it is. We don't know what it is actually. Just it looks like a little hammer. But odd looking. And I've got the obligatory washtub handle. Can't go nowhere without getting 100 of those. Well, anyway, we are setting awkwardly, fishing awkwardly, but we're going to try to clean this spot out. There's a lot of stuff in here. So the gobshites will be right back. Okie doke. Well, I am forever known as the padlock king. I got another one today. I was getting kind of discouraged over here because I wasn't really getting nothing, but I pulled out the Big Daddy magnet. Big Daddy on the first cast pulled up a nice old padlock. It says, it's got writing there on the front. I can almost make it out. No, it's, I think it's a Yale. I think, I don't know. I can't really get that cleaned off enough right there behind me. Let me try it again here. Anyway, nice old padlock. Been down there for a minute. I always find them padlocks, man. I love them. Can't get enough of them. I'd rather find padlocks than anything. Padlocks and buttons. Love both of those. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a minute.
Alright, first throw and about 50 feet from where we was before.
Brand new spot.
Brand new spot. Piece of sewer grate, I do a sewer cover. Whatever, I do believe. Thick. Pretty sure that's what it is. Not much else, just a few pokey things. Alright, this cast came back with an old screwdriver on it. Still in very good working order. Can't make out the brand or anything. I mean, it would still work for anything now. It's really not in bad shape. And the rest is just pokey stuff. Well, stuff is coming back though after throw. Here's another one of those jail door locks And it's still got whatever that is in it. That's different. Turn it over. Huh. That's different than any one we've gotten before. And then, of course, the obligatory bed frame. Alright, been a minute since I found anything worth looking at. Nothing else on the magnet, but this, it's worth looking at. This has got fabric in between it, and George seems to think it's for a nail gun, you know, like the nails that go in there and and when I look at it, I think the same thing, but I'm not sure. But anyway, there's the fabric stuff, still intact. There's the bottom. Anyway, that's kind of neat and different. Oh, I got a fishing pole. Rod rest. Kind of bent up. Still be used though. And let's see. A big chunk of blue. And that's it. Okay, this is a weird one. Just pull this up. Just a couple of nails, blah blah blah. But this thing is very intriguing. This looks like a miniature version of one of those things that you put on top of a fence post, plunge them in the ground, ramrods or whatever they're called. But it's tiny. This end is completely solid, and this end is full of something, gunk, whatever. But I've never seen anything like that little. Or little, one of those bull horns or something. I mean, but there's this end's closed again. So I don't know what it is, but I think it's very neat, and I'm going to keep it. Huh. Alright, I'm getting ready to change spots to go somewhere else. But I just happened to, the cane fell down and I tried to get it, and it uncovered a little toy down here, so I'm going to see about getting it. Little helicopter. Helicopter. That's cute. There's another broken piece of it. Huh. Score.
Okay, wow. Y'all can start calling me the locksmith, because I just found a keychain with the key. Let's see what maybe this keychain says here. I hope I didn't mess that camera up too bad, because I just almost touched the magnet with it. Let's see if I can wipe this off on my shirt. It says something there. I can't quite make it out. Let me see. It's been a good day. Real nice, sunny and warm day. Cloudy, overcast, but still nice. About 78 degrees. It says CMC or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, they got a little key to it. Nice. The locksmith strikes again. I love finding stuff like that. Locks, keys, buttons, anything like that I love. Anyway, I will get back to you here in a minute, guys. Well, we're calling it a day. Been a rough one, having to dig out holes to set in and stuff. But it was a productive day. Found a lock, keys, a few odd and end items. Shannon got the find of the day with a helicopter. And she found this right next to where she was sitting. And the cane fell on top of it and knocked a rock off of it or whatever, mud, and she saw it, so she picked it up. Very old kid's helicopter. It's very cool. I think I might put him in the garden. Anyway, if you need a magnet, kratosmagnetics.com. Use the word Shannon Robinson, all lowercase, one word, and you'll get 12% off your magnets. It's the only company we use. Speak to Benny and he'll hook you up. Tell him Real Deal sent you. Well, I guess that's it. Shannon's already at the car and I'm heading that way, so we'll talk to you later. Good words, good thoughts, good deeds, and goodbye.